Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Outlook password. All right, so let's begin. For whatever reason you want to go and change your password, to go and do this, go to the official website of Outlook. Once you are on site, click on Sign, and then you have to sign into your account. Select your, and then you will be logged into your account. Here, go to the top right and click on your profile, and inside it click on My Microsoft account, and then it will take you to your account overview. Here, make sure you are on Account section, and then navigate to top right of the screen and select Change My Password. What you can do is enter your current password, and we can then go choose a new one, and you need to confirm it as well. After you've entered it, go and click on Save, and you've now successfully changed your password. So that's basically how you can change your Outlook password. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.